Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like your help to solve this puzzle with me. It's a really fun puzzle. Would you help me? Thank you. This is a beach puzzle. And what animals can we see at the beach? We have a koala, and this koala is on a surfboard. We can see a toucan parrot, and that parrot is sitting on a sign that says beach. We can see a palm tree, and we can see a turtle, and the turtle is wearing a hat, which is very good. And what else is the turtle doing? That's right, the turtle is building a sandcastle. We've got what animal here? That's a sloth, and the sloth is drinking a yummy coconut drink. And what is this here? That's right, it's a puppy dog sitting on a beach chair eating an ice block. This looks like such a fun place to be. Have you ever been to the beach? I love going to the beach. Okay, we're going to solve this puzzle together, and I hope you can help me. So let's get started. We've got all the pieces at the side here, so let's just pick one. We'll start with this piece here. On this piece, we have some blue sky, a white cloud, a green palm tree, and what is this yellow thing called? It's the sun. Now, can we see the sun anywhere here? Can you point to where you think the sun is? Is it here? Well, that's where the puzzle piece will go. And that is amazing. We just did our first puzzle piece together. Yay! Let's do this one next. This one looks like a really fun piece. What can we see? I can see a koala who's wearing a red singlet and yellow, white and red board shorts. And it looks like this koala is surfing on a green surfboard. Now, can we see the koala anywhere here on the puzzle? Where? There? You're right. Let's pop the koala in. All right, excellent. Let's do this piece next. What is on this piece? I can see lots of sand and a sand castle. Also, we've got some thongs or flip-flops and a little starfish. And you can see a little bit of green here. I think that's an animal building a sandcastle. So where do you think that one goes? Can you point? Did you point here? Because that's right. Right here. Perfect. We've done 3 pieces. Let's do another one. I'll pick this piece up here, and it is a piece with a dog wearing what colour sunglasses? They're red and eating an ice block and sitting on a very comfortable chair. Can you see that dog anywhere here on this puzzle where it would go? Is it over here? Nope. Up here? Right here. Hooray! Let's do another piece. This one is mainly a blue piece, and we can see some cloud and some birds. A little bit of a wave, and also we can see the arm of a koala, and I think that might go right here. Excellent! Let's do another piece. This is a pretty piece. It's got lots of blue for the ocean, the water, and we've got a sloth drinking what looks like a very yummy coconut drink. And it looks like it goes right here. Wow! Isn't it fun doing puzzles together? Thank you so much for joining me. You know, if you like these types of videos, I've got lots on my channel. I've got lots of puzzles and I've got lots of books too. So when you finished watching this video, you should go and look at my other videos. But in the meantime, can you help me finish the rest of this puzzle, please? Thank you. Let's do this piece next. I can see a very colourful bird. It's also known as a toucan. And I can see a palm tree and lots of water. And I can see some beach too, some sand. I'm thinking it goes here. Yes, it does. That is awesome. Now look at this. We have 2 pieces left and we have 2 spaces left. I wonder if this piece goes here. Nope. So it must go here. And look at this turtle. This turtle is sun smart. This turtle is wearing a hat, and I bet every animal in this picture is also wearing sunscreen because it's very important to protect yourself from the sun. Now we have one last piece here. This piece has a sign that says beach, and it also has sand and a lovely purple bucket. And I do believe that that piece fits in right there. Thank you so much for helping me put this puzzle together. You guys are so awesome at helping me and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll hope to see you to help me solve another puzzle really soon.